Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix WhatsApp call not ringing when iPhone is locked. Your WhatsApp call stays ominously silent when your iPhone is locked. We understand the frustration of missing important messages or calls because your device decided to take a quiet moment. Video is going to illuminate the steps to solve the mystery of the silent WhatsApp call notifications on your locked iPhone. Whether the root of issue lies in your connection notification settings, VPN use or storage related quirks, we have got you covered. Let's dive in and restore harmony to your communication routine. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is granting stable internet connectivity. The first step in resolving your WhatsApp call issue on a locked iPhone is ensuring a robust internet connection, be it a Wi-Fi network or your cellular data. Ensure the connection is stable and reliable. Consider altering between the two to see which one works best. For instance, if you are currently on Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data and vice versa. Using an internet speed testing tool such as speed test can be handy in assessing the stability of your uplink and downlink speeds, and you are done. And the next step is tailoring iPhone and WhatsApp notification preferences. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and then tap on notifications. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp. Enable the allow notifications toggle. Below, customize your notification preferences as per your needs, ensuring the sound option is switched on. Within this setting menu, you have the ability to customize the sound for your individual messages, notifications and group notifications as well, and you are done. And the next step is ensuring iPhone is not on silent. Lastly, after tweaking the notification settings, ensure that your iPhone is not on silent mode. This is crucial because no matter how well you configure your settings, if your device is muted, you will not hear the sound when someone calls you via WhatsApp. So check the silent switch. And the next step is activating background app refresh. For this, go to settings. Scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on background app refresh. Ensure this option is turned on and go back and enable the refresh feature for WhatsApp, and you are done. And the next step is deactivating VPN connection. For this, go to settings and then tap on VPN. Ensure that your VPN connection is disabled. Remember, this step is solely troubleshooting purposes. You can reactivate your VPN once you have rectified the WhatsApp call issue. Tap on the status toggle button to disable it, and you are done. And the next step is purging WhatsApp cache. Sometimes the root cause of call issues lies within the WhatsApp app itself, often due to bloated cache memory. Clearing cache might fix the problem. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. After loading your storage details, check if you have sufficient space for optimal app functioning. Search for WhatsApp in this section and tap it. Here, select offload app. This process clears the cache and essentially reinstall the app, which can resolve notification and call issues. Be cautious while executing these steps as it requires a backup to preserve your data on WhatsApp, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of WhatsApp call not ringing when iPhone is locked. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.